trying to access your NVR, routers, or modem settings, but the usual addresses, like 192.168.1.1 aren't working. Your router might be using a less common gateway, like 192.168.1.101. If that's the case, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate NVR, router, or modem default settings. To get default login username and password, check NVR router or modem label. Step 2. Connect to your modem or router. First, connect your computer, laptop, or phone to the router or modem from LAN port or using default Wi-Fi if accessing Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Access router settings. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.101 in the address bar and press enter. You will get router login page. Use default username and password to login. After login, go to wireless settings from left side menu and change 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and save settings. After change SSID name, you need to connect again your mobile or laptop and go to security option from left side menu and change Wi-Fi password. After save settings, you need to connect all Wi-Fi device again with new Wi-Fi name and password. Troubleshooting. If 192.168.1.101 doesn't work, check your router or modem's correct IP. Ensure you're connected to the modem's network. Disable VPN or proxy servers. If you're trying to log in NVR, DVR, access point or network switch, or any other device that does not support DHCP, use manual static IP address, same series as device default login IP address. In your PC LAN settings, if login IP 192.168.1.101, then use 192.168.1.10 in PC or laptop LAN settings and try access again. Still can't access IP address. Reset the modem. Locate reset button backside or bottom side. Use pen or paper clip to press button. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Router will restore to default settings. Log in and set up again. That's it. You're now in control of your network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more login guide. Thanks for watching.